Hello. Today I'm going to talk about the Buxt- Buxton Hall Revolution project at the Pacific State University. Buxton Hall is a historic resident building that's built in 1927. For many years, it's an important part went on of the campus life. However, over time, the building became unsafe due to various issues like leaking waters, outdated wiring, and plumbing problems. Because of that, it was closed in 1996 and unused for about 10 years. The university decided to renovate Boston Hall using state fundings and donation with a total budget of $20 million. The goal was to restore the building and ready for students to move in the 2008 fall terms. The main people involved were in this project were Chad Cromwell, the head of university housing, Nick Bolas from the facilities, and Dan Nguyen, who is a project manager with the architectural firm its Legacy West. And the main problem that they faced were unexpected building damages, tight budget, schedule pressure, like deadline pressures, and some are communications along with quality disagreement between the university and the contractor. So to say this project was quite successful, even though it was challenging. First of all, the most important goal is to finish the building for the students to move in. So at one point, the project was quite behind the deadline, but the team worked together and managed to recover it. So in the end, the building opened for a time, which a success. Secondly, the project has a serious cost pressure. Uh, since it was a renovation, they found that there were more damage, especially rotten. This quickly used up most of the management reserves. However, instead of asking for extra fundings, the team found a solution to reduce the cost. For example, they decide not to fully refurbish all the exterior walls, but they focused on the most visible areas and delay less important sections. This saves them over $250,000 and help keep the project keep on going. Lastly, stakeholders' satisfaction was quite high. At the end of the project, everyone was proud that they had achieved something. The celebration, the positive comment shows that the project was a success, but not just technically, but emotionally and for this university. So yes, overall the project success with balanced time, cost, scope, even though not really perfectly. So I would think of some best practice that plays a huge role. First is parenting, no, partnering, and team buildings. These are the ones that are important, since in the early of the project, all major group attend a parent partnering workshops. This built their trust, improve communication, and all contribute to a shared goal. The partnering makes it clear that anyone anyone in the project wants this to be a best project. Secondly, structures conflict resolution help prevent small problems become big ones. For example, when there was a disagreement about the bathroom tile quality, the issue was escalated right to the management and resolved quickly, which avoids delays and reduce tensions between teams. The third I want to talk is regular meetings and feedbacks. With the weekly status meeting, kept everyone informed. They use partnering surveys to check out how people work together. So when the communication problems were identified, the managers addressed them quickly as soon as possible. That's helped increasing collaboration over the time. Next is uh, problem solving and flexible scope management was the key. When the costs became tighter, the team worked together to change the plan for exterior wall. So instead of strictly following the original ones, the previous scopes, they focus on what are the matters and delay less critical works. And this value engineering help project stays in the budget and on time. After all this practice, the team manage risks and reduce conflict. So is Agile suitable? On the positive side, yes, some help. However, construct project needs detail upfront with strict safety rules. So it's not easy to change. So the full Agile is not really realistic. So overall, a hybrid approach works the best. And in conclusion, the renovation was a success. It was complete on time, managed budget, and result in high stakeholder satisfaction. This case shows that even in difficult renovation project, strong relationship and flexible thinking can make a huge difference.